Brian, get away. Brian.
He just wants you to pet him.
Now the horn's going. You're going to pet him.
Do you know any songs?
No.
Come on. Sing it.
No.
One line of Jingle Bells.
No, only if you sing it with me.
Come on over and sing with Aunt Jenny. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Nice. Very